Good evening, everyone. Welcome to day 4 of the second International Faculty Development Program on AI and Blockchain Transforming Education and Research, organized by LKP Academy. Today's session is on artificial intelligence in higher education, transforming teaching, learning, and research. We are delighted to have with us Dr.C. Victoria Priscilla Ma'am, Associate Professor and Research Supervisor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, S.D.N.B.Vaishnav College for Women, Chennai. Ma'am, we are honored to have you here. Ma'am. We warmly invite you behind the session, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your wonderful introduction. Shall I share the screen, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, in my camera, is it able to see my face, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Sorry. Give me a few seconds. I'll touch the web camera, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile, I'll share the screen. Ma'am, can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Well, the camera is visible now.
Only screen only visible, ma'am.
Not able to see the camera. This happened. Okay, I'll continue, ma'am. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, you can able to see the front screen, ma'am. First screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm Dr. Victoria Priscilla. I'm going to, so we are going to discuss for another 1 hour session about the artificial intelligence in higher education, transforming teaching, learning, and research. So I'm very glad to discuss this topic. So our focus area is like AI power. Uh, how the artificial intelligence in higher education, which transforms teaching, learning, and research. So our key focus area is artificial intelligence is transforming traditional teaching by enabling personalized learning uh, paths for every student. So AI systems can analyze learner strengths, weaknesses, and pace of learning to tailor content accordingly. Uh, so AI driven chatbots act as virtual academic assistants. We all know that how it guides students anytime, anywhere, and also we know that it helps with the course selection, academic queries, and even emotional support, reducing the workload on faculty. And how AI helps institutions and researchers derive deep insights from educational data. And also, we're going to discuss about the research analytics enables pattern discovery. For example, how it identifies which factors contribute most to students' success or dropout rates. And predictive modeling can forecast student performance, which helps teachers intervene early to support struggling learners. So AI also supports educational leaders in making informed and strategic decisions, and predictive analytics can help in resource allocation, enrollment forecasting, and curriculum design. So we will see how AI impacts pedagogy, curriculum design, research productivity, and administrative decision making. So I just want to uh, make it as an interactive session. So why AI in higher education? So can you join with me with a Menti-Mentor code? Yes. So can you able to join, type this code with Mentimentor, mentimeter.com audience. So mentimeter.com, you just type mentimeter.com and type the code 2797 3626. Can you able to see this screen? Anybody there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody can see the screen?
No, ma'am, not visible, ma'am.
So you just type the code mentimeter.com. Anybody is there trying? You just try mentimeter.com. Hello. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm in college only. Suddenly the network is down. I don't know.
Okay, okay, ma'am. No issue, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for the
Okay,
inconvenience.
okay, ma'am.
Anybody is there, ma'am, to type why AA in higher education? So, okay, I'll continue. So, this is so as we have discussed our key focus area. Okay, the session objectives is stands with how understand how AI is reshaping higher education ecosystems. So AI is transforming teaching, learning, and administration, uh, teaching, learning, and administration through automation and data driven decision making. And also, it enables personalized learning, virtual classrooms, and efficient academic management systems. Second, explore the pedagogical innovations enabled by AI. So, AI supports adaptive learning platforms and also it intelligent tutoring systems that tailor content to each learner. What happens, it encourage innovative teaching methods like flipped classrooms and interactive digital learning environments, and also recognize the role of AI in enhancing research and institutional productivity. So what it happens is AI accelerates research through automated data analysis, literature review, and plagiarism detection tools. So institution use AI analytics for quality assurance, performance tracking, and strategic planning. So the next is discuss about the ethical, social, and professional implications of AI integration. So here we can discuss about issues like data privacy and algorithmic bias and ethical use of AI require careful considerations. So educators and researchers must promote responsible AI use and uphold academic integrity. So, why AI in higher education? So, the main thing is uh, the institutions are evolving from simply using digital tools to creating smart, data driven learning environments. Now, the AI transforms educational processes by analyzing data, predicting outcomes, and enabling personalized learning experiences. So, as for now, the higher education is moving from digitization to intelligence. So previously it was digitization, now it moved forward to intelligence. So now we are entering into an education 5.0 where human intelligence and artificial intelligence collaborate. So, Education 5.0 emphasizes human AI partnership, combining more emotional intelligence with mission precision, and also it focuses on creativity, critical thinking, and innovation, preparing learners for the AI driven future. So, unlike traditional technology adoption, AI enables systems that learn, reason, and adapt. AI powered systems continuously improve by learning from users' behavior and feedback. So, this adaptability allows dynamic curriculum updates, automated assessments, and real-time academic supports. So these are the main reason why AI in higher education. And universities also now moving from being knowledge providers to knowledge generators now. So they're using AI tools to assist in research, innovation, and discovery. So makes universities hubs of new knowledge creation. And also AI, why AI in higher education? There are a lot of reasons, and so we are discussing a few reasons now. And AI represents a fourth wave of transformation, and each in each wave revolutionized knowledge creation and dissemination. So AI now drives. Um, Intelligent automation and decision making. It marks as a shift from information access to intelligent interaction, and also it reshapes the education, research, and governance. It's not only just automation, it's now augmentation. So it enhancing human capability, and AI empowers educators and learners by amplifying creativity, productivity, and insight. Not insight, it not replacing them. It helps humans focus on critical thinking and problem solving, while machines handle repetitive or analytical tasks. And one example is here in real Minerva University, in USA, they uses AI based analytics to track student engagement and cognitive development. So the faculty access real time dashboards to adapt teaching strategies based on learning trends, to make sure that a personalized education. So, definition and scope of AI in education. So, in artificial intelligence, in higher education, this can be spans into teaching and learning, assessment and feedback, and research and innovation, and administration and governance. So, because the capability of machines to perform tasks that what it typically requires is human intelligence. So, the human intelligence we are aware of that learning, reasoning, and problem solving. And also we can say like higher education is undergoing a major shift, like it is a not the traditional way of teaching. So the lecturer talks, the students listen. So that model is evolving now into a dynamic and interactive learning ecosystem, and the AI enabled tools, data analytics, and adaptive systems. Now it is personalized learning. It tracks engagement and provide real time feedback. So both it enhance both teaching quality and the student outcomes. And also we can say like AI offers potential benefits such as personalized learning, which 24 bar 7 tutoring, chatbots, and automated assessment, curriculum design support, and administrative optimization. The main thing why I chosen this topic is to give the current snapshot, which emerges trends, emerging trends, and also the challenges consideration, especially as India's higher education system evolves. So current scenario in India, according to the recent report, no, while I was searching for preparing the uh, content and for the session, so I saw the report like recent report EY Parthanan and FICC titled "Future Ready Campuses." Unlocking the power of AI in higher education. Over 56 percentage of Indian higher education institutions have implemented AI related policies, and about 60% of higher education's permit students to use AI tools, including generative AI. Then 53% are using Gen AI to develop learning materials, and 40% deploying AI powered tutoring chatbots, and also the other statistics 39% adaptive learning platforms for the automated grading and everything. So we can say like the current scenario in India, like AI is no longer just a pilot or a novelty. So here it is. Many Indian higher education institutes are already integrating it in teaching, learning, assessment, and institutional operations. So Gen AI for creating, so we all aware of Gen AI for creating lectures, notes, quizzes, chatbots for student queries, adaptive learning to tailor pace content, and automated grading for quicker feedback. So why AI matters now? So it's purely it is post pandemic shift to digital learning. So, post pandemic shift to digital learning. So, the pandemic accelerated the integration of online platforms and virtual classrooms across higher education. So, the institutions are now adopting hybrid and AI supporting learning models um, to ensure the flexibility and inclusivity. And explosion of data, which is nothing but students research institutional like universities already generate vast data from learning manage LMS research outputs and administrative operations, and AI and analytics tools help uh, extract insights from this data to improve student success, and also it impact the research, and it helps for the decision making. And rise of Gen AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini. So these tools, Gen AI tools, are transforming now academic writing, coding, and also it creating creative work, which helps for automating automatic content generation, and also it serves as an intelligent assistant for educators. It is not only for educators, but researchers and students, only to mostly to improve the productivity and the innovation. And also in the next, the global competition for research excellence and innovation. So the universities worldwide are leveraging AI to enhance this research output, collaboration, and global visibility. Institution which adopts no AI-driven research tools, so the mainly to gain a competitive edge in publications, patents, and innovative innovation rankings. And the fifth point is very important, like interesting. The AI will not replace teachers. So, but teachers who use AI will replace those who don't. So, it is adapted from Eric Breno Jolfson. The quote highlights that AI is a supportive partner. It is not a substitute for educators. Many of us may worried about how whether the AI is going to be replace AI teachers. No, it is not. So it is AI is a supportive partner. How we are going to utilize the AI for education and teaching, learning, everything. So it is a substitute for educators. So the teachers who embrace AI tools can deliver personalized, efficient, and engaging learning experiences. So here you can see machine learning generations. So it is a rule based thing, and you have the simple learning which is used for statistical approach, and third one is for deep learning. So it is based on the neural network and convolution neural network, everything in depth of machine learning. And next one is adaptive learning, which is continuous learning. So this is a global trends now. So adaptive learning and predictive analytics is most discussion points. So it uses like platforms. So AI powered platforms use data analytics to identify students at risk based on their attendance, performance, and engagement. So they suggest personalized interventions such as remedial modules or mentoring to improve student successes and retention. And Gen LLMs in education, this large long language models like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini, it assists in content generation, summarizing lessons, and drafting assignments. So it also provides automated feedback and explanation, which supports both teaching and self-directed learning. So we can say automation of administrative and assessment tasks, AI tools which enables uh, automatic grading and also attendance tracking and report generation, which reduces the repetitive manual work. So this allows educators to focus more on mentoring, creativity, and research, which enhances the human side of education. So the hybrid and immersive learning, it enhanced, that is AI enhanced online hybrid modes. So you can say that the virtual reality and augmented reality with AI support to make learning more engaging. So more interesting to students when you show the live examples and the live environment. So whether in India or abroad, the pattern is now it move from experimentation to integration to scaling. So this is all in the world. So but also recognizing that foundational elements which nothing but faculty readiness, okay, and the governance infrastructure matters. So AI in teaching and learning. First, the personalized and adaptive learning we are discussing, like AI-driven platforms. So, what is AI-driven platforms? You can say Coursera, edX, and CanMigo. So now the students are now in our college itself. The students are engaged with the Coursera. So there are the students who they are actually they equipped with a lot of skills, and the students are. They are able to complete more than a courses, more than 100 courses there. Yeah, students are able to complete the complete the high end skill courses also. So that skills are efficient to uh, students, and AI systems track students' progress continuously, and adaptive testing it adjusts difficulty based on student responses, and also they adapt the content delivery, even learning paths to suit individual cognition styles. So the Carnegie Learning uses AI to guide students through math problem solving dynamically, and so it also helps for the micro personalized learning also. So next one is intelligent tutoring systems. So intelligent tutoring systems, AI tutors simulation that simulate one-to-one learning support, and AI powered intelligent tutoring systems. So ITS can act as 24/7 teaching assistants. So it helps students practice independently. And Jill Watson, the famous AI tutor at Gaugia Tech, answers student questions with 95% accuracy. So AI tutors reduce faculty load on repetitive clarification, letting them focus on conceptual guidance. It is learning analytics and predictive models. The predictive analytics identifies that at-risk students earlier already discussed. So the predictive AI identifies students at risk using attendance, engagement, and test data. So here the data insights improve curriculum design, pedagogy, and The universities like Purdue uses course signals to send alerts to struggling students also. So in Arizona State University uses AI dashboards to improve retention and student support. Then the assessment and feedback automation. AI automates grading for MCQs, coding exercise, and even essays. So using natural language processing and tools like Gradescope and Turner 10. So this is for AI detection. It reduces faculty workload also. The platforms like Gradescope, Turner 10, and ChatGPT, it's based on the rubric evaluators. And also it gives us instant feedback also. Um, so will it be able to give mentimeter.com? Anybody in the Zoom meet? So nobody is interested. So okay, we'll move on to the next slide. So just I want to know what are the tools are using for the teaching learning process. So the AI in teaching and learning, no, the AI is used for inclusive and accessible learning. So uh, it is actually helps differently abled learners like speech to text for the hearing impaired and text to speech and captioning for visually impaired learners and also translation processes. So it also used for multilingual inclusivity. So it is the speech to text. So these are the things: speech to text, text to speech, and image recognition. So these aid learners with disabilities. So real time translation. So it really it expands the global classroom reach. And also, you can say personalized learning. The AI systems can adapt content pace, feedback to individual student needs, so helping those who might. So these slow learners also we can. It will be useful. So we can concentrate on the slow learners also, the special children as we discussed earlier. So opportunities and benefits. So it enhanced the student support. So how it enhances student support? So using the chatbots, tutoring systems, which are available 24/7, can handle routine queries. So whenever the students wants to clarify anything, so it is these systems, the intelligent support systems can be helpful to for the students to clear for the clarification of doubts. So it helps faculty to focus on deeper learning. So efficient assessment and feedback. So once the student learns, so it should be helpful for the assessment and feedback. So automated grading reduces, so it is turnaround time, gives immediate feedback to the students. So it supports larger classes and so in countries like India, no, with large student populations, this AI tool helps for the quality teaching support, especially in resource constrained settings. So, and also it helps in curriculum design and content creations. So nowadays the teachers are used to prepare the curriculum design and also for the lesson planning, everything. So the GenAI can assist faculty in creating teaching materials, quizzes, interactive modules, whatever it is. So, as we said earlier, no, in India, greater than 50% of the higher education institutes use Gen AI for materials. And in administrative process, how the AI is be helpful in administration. So it helps in that. The main thing is admissions for all college education or what. So AI in admissions. So it helps in admissions, students' life cycle, and also in resource management, scheduling. So now the using the institutions become more efficient. And what is the challenges, risks, and considerations? So the simply adopting tools is not enough because there are a lot of tools are available to use in many domains, various domains. So the The institution must have the clear policies on AI use, so and academic integrity and data privacy, because these things are very important when you use the um, adopting AI tools. Then not all students have equal access to devices, so reliable internet, so high-end tools. So AI adoption can be widened inequalities if not carefully managed. So the students should get reliable internet to use the AI adaptability. And also faculty readiness and change management. Many educators need upskilling. So without upskilling, we can't. The faculty cannot able to manage the artificial intelligence tools. Okay, there are many tools are available, but the faculty should be developed with recent upskilling. So this is very need of the hour to upgrade themselves. So resistance to change, fear of job placement. So these are the things, the challenges actually. And also the challenges like AI systems may embed biases, lack transparency in how the decisions are made, like grading recommendations. So that transparency is that the decisions are still challenges. The students' data must be protected. So then quality of AI tools and assessments, to make sure the AI powered assessments are valid, reliable, with learning outcomes. And also the use of Gen AI, how the students are using the Gen AI with a proper, in a disciplined manner, in a quality wise. So we need to teach the plagiarism and authenticity of work. So these are the challenges for the faculties. Then infrastructure, resource constraints. So especially in many institutions, Indian institutions, the lack of tech infrastructures, connectivity problem. Even though we had a good connectivity, so when in the middle of the session, suddenly the internet is cut off. So we disrupted, no. So that infrastructure is very efficient for the adaptability. So AI in research and innovation, AI powered research assistants. So Gen AI, like ChatGPT elicit site AI supports literature discovery, hypothesis framing, and writing summaries. Okay, so in NLP models, it extracts insights from thousands of research papers within minutes. So previously, we were going to the library and we were searching the research papers to consolidate the literature survey. Now it is we can take the help of artificial intelligence, AI, that is Gen AI, or Perplexity AI, to consolidate what is in that literature. So we can get the summarization of the topics, and literature review automation. So tools like these Research Rabbit. So these are it connects the papers, which summarizes. It gives a summarization and make us to do the literature survey. And also it helps us to synthesize the research gaps, or suggest experimental design. So a lot of things are there uh, to make use of this AI tools, so which helps for research and the innovative ideas. So data analysis and visualization, we can use Python, R. Programming languages like Python and R are widely used for data cleaning, statistical modeling, and predictive analysis. And AI powered tools further enhance. It helps to act for the accuracy and speed by automatic complex statistical computations and trend discovery. And also you have the deep learning models for pattern recognition. It can identify hidden patterns in biological, linguistic, and environmental data, and it also aiding advanced research. So this enables applications like disease prediction. You can say language translation, and also for the climate pattern analysis. So AI in research and innovation. So it also uses for the publication and writing support. So it also helps in writing AI-based writing assistance, improves grammar, clarity, and it also helps with the citations. So so these are the tools. Some of the tools I've noted here. These are helpful for paraphrasing, and also for the plagiarism detection is a very important thing when we write the thesis, and for the publication of articles also. So we should be very careful in make it as a referencing each and whenever we reference some others articles, we have to make the utilize these tools, AI tools. So research impact and bibliometrics. So AI based analytics. So AI tools help track citations, H index, and publication impact across databases. It offers accurate and real time research insights. It also collaborate. It also map the collaborative networks and the emerging research trends, which helps institutions to identify strengths and potential partnerships. So it is helpful for the collaborative networks also. And Gen AI tools help summarize, compare, and we have seen research finding from vast data sets or literature sources. And also it assists researchers in creating structured insights. When we take the interdisciplinary projects, also uh, AI ethics and policy research. So it focuses on the fairness, transparency, and the accountability in AI design. So it guides policy formulation and governance frameworks to make sure that responsible and AI adoption in education and research. So when we take interdisciplinary projects, the integrating AI with social sciences, humanities, and education. So the AI is increasingly applied to analyze the human behavior and the language, culture, and learning patterns also. Such interdisciplinary efforts foster inclusive innovation, bridging the technology with human values and the societal needs. It is very important that bridging the gaps, bridging technology with human values and the societal needs. So, key recommendations for higher education institutions. So, develop a phased adoption strategy, that is, start with low risk pilots like chatbot tutoring and learn and scale to more advanced use cases, and also build faculty capacity train educators not just to use AI tools but to redesign the pedagogy for AI. This is very important in curriculum design. So, for AI augmented learning, how to integrate the chatbots, adaptive modules. And coming to the extra governance and ethics policy frameworks, so we have to set the guidelines for student use of AI tools, because so, so a lot of students are using the AI, but we have to frame the framework like how to use the AI tools in the uh, education, and data privacy, safeguards against misuse. The Indian report emphasized the need for governance. So then, last, how to ensure the equity and access. So it should provide infrastructure support, devices, or alternative modes, so that all students benefit regardless of the socio-economic background. So particularly for the students, uh, the implications for students. So AI provides, even though AI provides personalized learning experiences, which are adapting to each student's pace, style, and needs, the learners benefit from flexible mode of study and instant feedback, improving engagement and academic outcomes. The how importance of developing AI literacy. The students and educators must cultivate AI literacy, understanding how AI tools work, the limits, and the potential biases. And it is also responsible for the ethical use of AI, which ensures that technology enhances critical thinking rather than it replacing it. For faculty, no, from being content deliverers to learning facilitators, so guiding students in AI augmented environments. The focus now is on critical thinking, creativity, and mentorship rather than rote instruction. So, opportunities for faculty: AI can automate routine tasks like grading, scheduling, and basic academic support, saving valuable time. This allows teachers to invest more in research, innovation, and meaningful students' interaction. So, need for professional development. So, faculty must engage in continuous learning to understand, trust, and effectively integrate AI tools. So when we redesign the courses with AI in mind, promotes modern skill-based education aligned with the future of learning. So for institutions, um, you can say like institutions that adopt AI, strategically can attract top students, global collaborations, and increased research funding. So, being AI ready strengthens the college's brand reputation and academic innovation capacity. So, in change in operational dynamics, universities are transitioning from manual, now ad hoc processes to intelligent, data driven, and automated system. This shift improves their efficiency, their scalability, and evidence based decision making across all departments. And also the concentration in institutional investment and governance. To sustain AI integration, institutions must invest in robust digital infrastructure, connectivity servers, and software licenses. So then continuous policy review, ethical governance, and staff training are essential for responsible and effective AI adoption. So, for the summarization, AI in higher education is here, not a distant future, especially in India. No, 50 to 60% of higher educational institutions are already permit AI tools and have policies. The success of AI integration depends not only on tools but on people. So that's just now. Uh, the main thing we have key points takeaway is we have explored AI tools in the teaching learning practices. So advocate for structured faculty development in AI pedagogy, engage with the policy conversations in the institutions about the responsible AI. So the artificial intelligence is not just transforming higher education; it is redefining what it means to educate, research, and innovate in the 21st century. So that's all from my side. Any questions?
Dear participants, any questions or any doubts? Bhuvana ma'am, Aji ma'am, any questions
No,
or any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, shall we conclude the session, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No one goes. Okay,
Thank
fine.
you so much for everyone joining us today. One sincere gratitude to Dr.C. Victoria Priscilla ma'am for delivering an insight session on artificial intelligence in higher education. Our valuable inputs have truly enriched our understanding. We also thank all participants and the LKP Academy team for making day 4 successful. Looking forward to our presence on day 5. Thank you and have a great evening. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, participants, for your time and engagement. The session has officially ended. You may now leave the meeting. See you again in the next session.